y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus mod x. There are 4 lines. Since one is y is equal to x minus 1 and y is equal to minus x plus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus x and y is equal to 3 plus x. There are 4 lines. The area bounded by the 4 lines on the coordinate axis. So that's why we're taking a coordinate axis like this. First of all, we're taking a straight line. This is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2 and equation number 3 and equation number 4. From equation number 3, we write x plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3 means x intercept is 3 and y intercept is also 3. So we take a coordinate straight line. This is origin. This is 3 comma 0. This is 0 comma 3. This is the straight line 3. And we take the first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1. So here x intercept is 1 and y intercept is also 1. We take a straight line like this. This is 1 comma 0. This is 0 comma 1. And we take another straight line x minus y is equal to minus 3. So x intercept is minus 3 and y is plus 3. So that's why we're taking a straight line like this. Minus 3 comma 0. This is a straight line number 4. This is a straight line number 1. And we take the another straight line number 2, that is x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. That means x intercept is positive and y intercept is negative. So the straight line drawn like this. This is 1, 0 comma minus 1. This is the straight line number 2. Now this is the area bounded by the straight lines, given straight lines. Now what is the point of intersection of this one? That means the line 2 and 3 are intersected at this point. So solve 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Second equation is this one, x minus y is equal to 1 and this one is x plus y is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So this is the point 2 comma 1. Now we draw a line 2 comma 1, 2 comma 0. And here it is the another point of intersection, that is equation number 1 and equation number 4 are intersect here. So solve 1 and 4. That is equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 1 and fourth one is x minus y is equal to minus 3. So adding this one, 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1, comma, when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. Minus 1 comma 2 is the point. Now this is the required area of the given lines. We know the vertices of the required area. Now it is like it is a rectangle. So here the one of the vertex is 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 1, 0 comma 3, minus 1 comma 2 are the vertices of a rectangle. So the area is equal to integral this is minus 1. Minus 1 to 0. Here upper curve and lower curve. This is the required area. And 0 to 1 is the one of the part. And 1 to 2 is the another part. So we are taking the required area is integral minus 1 to 0 upper curve. Here minus 1 to 0 upper curve is this one, and that means fourth equation. Fourth equation minus first equation dx plus integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1. In this interval, upper curve is third equation, minus lower curve is first equation dx plus integral 1 to 2. In this interval, upper curve is third one and lower curve is second one dx. Now that is equal to integral minus 1 to 3, minus 1 to 0. Fourth equation 3 minus x minus fourth equation is 3 plus x. 3 plus x minus 1 minus x dx plus integral 0 to 1 third equation minus first equation 3 minus x minus 1 minus x dx plus integral 1 to 2 second equation minus third, that is 3 minus x 3 plus x minus second equation is x minus 1 dx. Two plus 2x plus integral 0 to 1 2 dx plus integral 1 to 2 4 minus 2x dx, that is 4. Or otherwise we find the area of a rectangle base into height. Here base means this one, square root of minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, length of this one into this one, into square root of 1 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square. Now this is square root of 4 plus 4 into root of 1 plus 1 is 2, root 2. That is equal to root 8 into root 2. That is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. This is a rectangle. Base into height is the area of the rectangle. So that's why we are taking that it is the base. So the distance between these vertices is this one into height is this one. So now area is 4 square units.